keeping you close, falling behind. I lost my voice, you lost your mind. Say you're not well, say that you're fine. Walking with me through the aisles of a drugstore, and if you return to me, oh, if you return to me. Your mother's a fake, a phantom who steals. The sign on your face is not what you feel. I'll check you in if you check me out. Some lonesome rusty cutter who says I'm a brother. Oh, if you return to me, oh, if you return to me. Was I the ghost, or one of your voices you hear in your head when you're out killing horses? Sticking my place, taking you home. I don't think it's safe to turn out the nightlight. Oh, if you return to me, oh, if you return to me. I read your reviews, studied the lines, I know them so well. My life's now a tragedy, one for the road, two for the plane, and I will be fine as long as you take me. Oh, if you return